hurry, the bad guys are gonna get us. Help, help, help. We gotta hurry up and get those corny birds. We gotta get those birds. Get this train moving. Uh-oh, the king just fell off. Help, help, help.
Go, Robin!
Stop, back the train up, back the train up. We gotta go back and get the king. Oh, we gotta get the king. He's laying on his noggin. Get the king, get the king. Let's just go ahead and put the king in the coal car so he won't fall out again, that ding dong. Okay, let's go get those corny birds. Let's go get those goody two-shoe birds. Go get them! Go get them! Go get those birds! Hurry, hurry, hurry! We gotta get away from those horrible pigs! Hurry! Oh my gosh! We crashed! We crashed! Oh, we're gonna get those corny things. We're gonna get those guys. Take that, you big fat red bird! Take that, you big fat green piggy thing that has a crown and is naughty all the time! Take that, you big, ugly, devil-looking piggy thing! Take that, you hairy Ewok critter! You're going down! You're going downtown! Or my name isn't whatever my name is. The light side will always win over the dark side. I'm a good guy. I always win. This is an epic battle for the fight between the light side and the dark side. Decaffeinated coffee versus caffeinated. You're going down, you big green lizard-looking piggy thing that probably has terrible bacon. Your bacon stinks. Okay, time for the pig to die. Roll him over on his back. The king is dead. And the good guys have won. Okay, all the good guys cheer. Yay! Hey, we won. Hey, wait a minute, you're a bad guy. You're not supposed to cheer. Yeah, but I didn't like him very much. Okay, and that is the end of our movie.